The cause of flooding was Hurricane Harvey that was classified as a Category 4 hurricane. It slowly approached Texas with winds of about 115 miles per hour. Hurricanes are seasonal, and the season is from June to November in the United States. The heavy precipitation and wind from the hurricane is due to the warm water in the Atlantic Ocean and the humid region around the Gulf of Mexico. According to an analysis at the University of Wisconsin Space Science and Engineering Center, Hurricane Harvey is a 1 in 1,000 flood that overwhelmed southeast Texas. To give an idea of how large the impacted area was, the area was as large as New Jersey in size. The frequency and magnitude of future hurricanes can change because of climate change. The climate is changing and precipitation events have become more intense in recent decades, so what constitutes different return frequencies is also probably changing. Human-induced climate change may be responsible for the recent increases in the frequency and strength of Atlantic hurricanes, according to MIT and Penn State researchers. Warmer surface temperatures are associated with increases in strength and duration of cyclones. The societal impact of the flooding from Hurricane Harvey in 2017 was significant, as it's a very highly populated area, thus affecting more people. Approximately 13 million people were affected. This flooding destroyed infrastructure, and Hurricane Harvey cost Texas an estimated $180 billion trying to rebuild after this catastrophic event. This also affected the crops, hitting cotton farmers especially hard. There were an estimated $30 to $4 million spent to rebuild homes and cars in the wake of Hurricane Harvey. There were lots of nuclear plants that were affected by this flood, which affected the water quality. There were a total of 88 fatalities of Texans in the wake of Hurricane Harvey. Officials in Fort Bend County are now requiring developers to expect more rainfall than previously. Developers now have to be able to withstand 16.5 inches of rain in 24 hours instead of just 12.5 inches. However, many people believe the requirement should be much higher since climate change will only continue to worsen the effects of flooding. The City of Houston has requested $18.5 billion from the federal government to complete 4 projects that will protect from future flooding. One of these projects is the Cypress Creek Reservoir, which overflowed during Hurricane Harvey and could have caused damage to surrounding dams. The city also wants to increase the number of homes outside of the floodplain since it is safer in that area.